massive Michelle. I think me started boxing in 2017 at the age of 27. So obviously it sounds too late, but yeah, give it up. Yeah, try course why they beat me be 2019 and me yeah my December 10 professional, but then normal to me to toy na kwame yeah the emame. Nti nyame ya adom this year normal to turn now management in terms of someone who's going to give me a contract to fight and promotion. Then I got signed by Frank Warren, Queensbury Promotion, the same promotion Anna Tyson Fury or no so say promotion and the last month. And I mean, yeah, I think 10th of March. And I mean, yeah, I mean, talk quite big kind. Yoko, but from Green. Na and also I don't mind me in a yes second round, 10 seconds. Until now, we know so another bout to be a yes so important for me because of say it's going to be worldwide, because it's a Joe Joyce and one guy be or free china undercard and I may fight it until na and tokwa hear me pa until Nyamiso ya domba. I was looking for knockout, but obviously I did not get what I want, but I got the W, so I was really happy for that. But it ended up with emotional and yeah.
Emotions, and I'm for after about now all share emotional journey to becoming a professional boxer. Now, even before I come to that, the way I okono, I'm for the old to Mike Tyson, I say what the fury, or the anger, or the hunger, or the emotion, be realm. The way I okonto kwano. Obetimi acheche mu kakra as a boxing no ebro so kra o to twede na wo de wabusuafo ene wa ho odi nyina di achi.
But that's is a nature because me sanamity so me obia me yadia I just put everything in me to do it, me nya say bia me the mistake can na me yi me free. No, I just go for it. And one any person I just look up to him. Hey, Mike Tyson. So I like the way he used to beat big guys in the ring, knock them out, punish them. I mean, hard hater, and I mean it's amazing. So Michelle, I'll say, and there is no day of I can't watch Mike Tyson every day. I need to watch him because what any Nipabia I just look up to. So no wonder, like the way I fight in the ring and the way I throw my punches and stuff like that. And also, I want to people wrong say it's possible. It doesn't matter about the age because right now I'm in my 30th. I'm like 33 now. So people think like, oh, he's too old. He can't fight. Oh, he's too old. He can't go anywhere. Oh, he's too. No, I can do it. It's all in your mind. It's all in your mindset. How much you want it. How hungry you are. How bad you want it. You know what I'm saying? So if you can, as long as you have this kind of opportunity to fighting in national TV, which is BT Sports, in DSTV and that, you got to show where you got. You got to show what you have. You know what I'm saying? Once you got that platform, don't play with them because boxing is not a joke. Boxing is dangerous sport, but it's fun because I'm gonna get hit. If I don't hit him, he's gonna punch my face. So I need to. Then he will go first. What yes, yes. So yeah, that is.
Ebi mo so omo say the way I will see to otwede no. Oka say we admit it say one started boxing early 27 years, which is very late. But the way I will see a kontokwa no omusro ma say bia ukohia obi a what experience pa na what the tricks bia abo because who used to ahoden no pa dey na abeka kire sancrophone so.
First of all, any Panamanian in the Korea, your friend Darren Sharp. I watch him fighting. I watch him on YouTube. So meaning said was second. When a genuine man, he's someone he had like 113 fights.
Wow.
Right? And he got stopped only 3 times. He's very tough. He know more in the ring than me. He know how to defend himself. He know how to cut the ring off. He will go around with you without getting knocked out. He know what he doing, right? So me plan am because I'm so you what you say will call call boxing type, move your head, step in now. He's safe. No, I need to hit him so hard to let him feel like I'm here. I'm not here to pray. What you say, and also um that is my mechanism, my idea, me they call to get close to him, aggressive, not step back. Every punch I throw, I need to make sure that punch is very powerful and I mean it. So yeah, even at the end of the fight, Okachram said, "Oh, 113 fights, I'm the one of the hard puncher he ever fought." And I was like, "All right, cool. Then why don't you go down?" But it's all part of the game. So yeah, it was fun. It was fun. And after that, we went in. He came to my changing room. We shared. I got plantain chips business going on, so I gave him my plantain chips, and we shared, and we was having a chat, and it was fun.
Okay, that's just say osan ton plantain chips. Ewo UK ho.
But I got a small business because I'm a chef. Apart from boxing, I'm also a chef. So I got plantain chips business going, and also like jollof rice going. But that's gonna be starting a few weeks coming. So that
Wow.
but yeah.
Wow. Now, we share pictures be I say wo no wa fa brem wa bre na we mason ni Ghana ni e be ka say breacher ni a ukuta shovel na wo dey how was the journey all of a sudden wa be dane boxer na we breacher adwuma no mason no we no he wo Ghana.
Yeah, but me free afigasi asokore search the east. Krokito bu ha ifro bima so asata wana mo na I think say a dime bear 10 or 11 and now ana me me papa me sisters no mo ye edu 10, and me kwa na me be ma so am da umu. So I wanna I grew up with them and nesa like bread the nipa break akra neskani fee otiase ebia ye benye skakra ko school kra na ye say twa kwan from Bima ho to Ascore e be 5 miles every day, Monday to Friday, enti say benye skakra di kra na this me ma me kofum kutu banche any board there no the aswai e wo kenten mi apako ton wo market and sana yenye sky dey atoduane dey bo okra be kona banche in ton in tobi adobin tobi yeni di until say banche obi be dey obi be tobi. So it was a tough lifestyle, but one thing is that we did not feel comfortable in that position. We always want more. What you are saying? A band, so let me sisters, no so 82 kwine. A binum so ba a ye bremine. It's me better mon check a crowd bremine. To bremine and I'm a wa. Then a hono na me koye me call school. So I find Krobia Atlantic Technical Vocational Institute, which is CADVI. Asokore. Emuno anamkoye BC, building and construction. Nti wana minim a dine said the dine sheshe NCT and mukakra. Nti tabia me komi system wo bremai bia no na me kope missing for na me boa me kotana na kwasi nana kejasi bisa. Yeah, I don't know. I think so. Nana kejasi shop or normal beto cement and mabusa mo bia mu hia obi a obedon concrete na mamo na say cement me wa ha say Sato cry bro I was so skinny they look at me like, can you do the job? I said, yeah. He said, oh man, all right, let's take him and try. Yeah, because I don't pray, how obviously hard work. I just keep working. So 10 the normal friend said bra so I want to have some couple of pictures, and I kept that picture even when I came here at 2012, and I just released it, and yeah, and also yeah, I mean, I don't know, yeah.
But move no ba say obekọ abrechi no scholarship bi anaze nyame na bie kwan ma because enye ho a menye sure say nka obetimi kura hu talent or boxing.
No, like that's the thing. Sometimes you don't know what you can do or what you're gonna do in life, unless you stay away from your comfort zone, then like, wow, so this is me, this is what I can do, I would say it's akwanya buy. Akwanya me buy be but me buy na I think because I just came here by myself, then starting hustling, and some reason I end up sleeping in bars, sleeping in McDonald's. And these guys, I remember some of the McDonald's security, they come to, hey, bro, you can't sleep here, get out. And I move from different place to different. It was a bit tough time, but it encouraged me to work hard because I don't want to be in that position. I want to go higher. I want to achieve my dreams. And I just make kind of say I mean no higher. Yeah, make us say I mean I'm a be a choir and you can suit me show me be. So that is what I can say.
Yes. What share amount for be crime before say beja am two things. Next action anything or next step anything and sana what can be biatre Ghana for nkora. Social media honor there people are so inspired by adena why and nsema wo kan e no, but people are also watching you in Accra and the whole country. They are watching. Well, next line they say a lot of them will start following your journey now and about. Secondly, then I will catch fans and people in Ghana who need inspiration.
That's opening. Yeah, can say after the fight, and I gave some speech. They were interviewing me, but it was very emotional because of where I come from, place I've been, things I've been go through. I mean, a lot of things happening to me. A lot. Maybe in the right time you talk about it, but there's a lot happening to me. So especially me call Apokono, me drew event or not. Me too many are like I started crying because I feel like, wow, how come life changed like that? It's crazy because me who TV stations, newspapers, cameras, and everyone like want to interview me. Everyone want to talk to me, and especially me, my papa, and my papa also came 2 years ago. Like there's so a lot. My to me and Shiana and San why the whole frame, what you say. So it was emotional, but I would say where my footwear come Ghana youth, and I will be a media. Don't ever let yourself down and never give up. Always make sure you're doing the right thing and you put yourself first. Because baby, you're free. If you're free, crowd free, baby out here and cash it doesn't, describe say, oh, kwakoye. It's all about your mindset. What I say, you can do it. It doesn't matter because social will be to say Freezy Macbones said, baby, I'm free. It be a mafa picture now. Some of the picture will be crooked who be nana and it's a dying. When I'm many sisters, nina tiny na and papa na mami na grow up. Then the meme Angel Sports interview me. Sky Sports interview me. The Sun in this country, Ireland, they interview me. 50 Cent post my video. Sarko, they follow me. Sarko, they talking to me. Mayweather share my video. This and that and that. All these famous and celebrities are follow me, and everyone want to hear my story. That means God is great. That means there is no. Don't let yourself down. Don't put yourself down. It's possible. Whatever dreams you have in your mind is possible. The only way you can achieve or you can reach that dream is that keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. If you stop, it will never come.
Yeah.
Don't let anyone tell you that, oh, you are too old. How possible? For example, Nana, my mom example, what was this year? Oh, me person me BBC.
Yeah.
Obi beka say, Charlie, oh yeah, what ya Angel Sports? Only a month for our person, more Angel Sports. Charlie, charger, higher boko. Dabi, you want to go forward.
Yeah.
What you say? Nipa be on be men call. You feel comfortable here? No, you don't. You know what you can do when you reach up there, and it's possible.
Right.
So all these people on just stay away from them and get close to people. They will encourage you, like, no, it's possible, Nana, you can do it. So that is how I see myself. Nana, me share the near than for me, brace. What you say? So if your picture now, after the picture is me and one Ghanaian guy where you wouldn't chromo. We link up, we got energy wise, and bra. That is all. Because I need someone like him who believe me, who trust me to push me like Freezy. You can do this. Yeah, you can, bro. Let's go. We got this. That's it. You know, so always people around you is really important.
Very good. Now we say management no more arrange when you I mean requests for bouts. People are inquiring say be our meeting no wako. Now when possibly can we look forward to obekumbium?
Say we men talk quite to me, right? It's this is beginning. I feel no masha say. It may say by next